There's a lot of ECU cloning tools on the market, so how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 really popular options, specifically comparing the time it takes to do a read and a write of the module. First, we'll take a look at Flex from Magic Motorsports. This one is going to go through and do the read in about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. But here's where Flex really shines. Check out the restore time. This is going to come in at around 20 seconds. I'm going to show you at the end of the video how that's possible. Next up, we're going to take a look at a very popular tool from OBD Star. This is the Keymaster G3. This one comes in at 5 minutes and 21 seconds for the read. Now we're going to go ahead and do the write on this one. Takes a little bit longer. This one comes in at 6:36. Now for all of my fans of the Launch, Think Car, and Top Don, this one just for the read comes in at over 11 minutes. And the write time on that one was equally slow. I'm not even going to bore you with the video, but let's get into how the Flex was so fast. How does Magic Motorsports read that thing in half the time? And how do they write it in 20 seconds? Flex is faster because it compares the record that it's writing. If it matches, it skips it. And that's a huge difference in Flex, that it can write just the changes and keep the stuff that's the same. So right here, you'll see on the left side, this is the entire length of the file. Where it's red here at the top is the differences. So when I scroll through this file right here, you'll see red on one side or the other. When I get to the very bottom of that, you'll see it's going to be all white here till the end of the file. I'm going to click in right here, and we're going to go ahead and look at the number. So it's 20,369 bytes. And you can see after this area, this entire file matches as we scroll through all the way to the end. Notice how Flex wrote 8 sectors that were 4K. So that makes perfect sense. We know that 20,369 bytes were different. 8 sectors of 4K each is 32,000 bytes. So it wrote all of the changed area and a little bit more because it has to write it in those 4K chunks and it wants to make sure it got everything. But clearly, it wrote everything it needed to.